We've just acquired this Jaguar. It's the 2 litre XE Prestige, top of the range. It's 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, very rare. It's got full Jaguar service history. It's got a lot of extras. You've got the panoramic roof, satellite navigation, reverse camera, lane assist, got the front parking sensors there. It's got upgraded alloy wheels on it as well. It's got the rear spoiler, twin exhaust. It's a bigger brake horse model. All-wheel drive, rear parking sensors, like I say, reverse parking camera as well. It's in absolutely stunning condition. It looks and drives superb, nowhere near the mileage. Looks like a £20,000 car. Tailgate's electric too, absolutely immaculate in the boot. Full leather interior, electric heated seats with memory, electric windows, electric mirrors, panoramic sunroof. This one's tilt and slide, it's not fixed. Just start the car up. All the warning lights go on and off, as they should do. Satellite navigation, full media package, Bluetooth for phone and media, different ways of driving it, eco mode, sports mode, etc. Paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control. This car has everything. Auto headlights, did I say climate control? Heated seats, 3-stage. It's got a full service history, Meridian sound system too. It's absolutely stunning. If you require any further information, we do have full dealer facilities, which includes warranty, finance and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.